Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can increase the volume of your laptop's speaker on your Windows 11 operating system. So let's say you want to watch a movie or you want to hear some songs and you don't have any Bluetooth speaker or any kind of speaker and you want to use your laptop for hearing the audio, right? But your laptop does not have enough sound. So there is a small trick you can use to increase the volume of your laptop, and let me show you how you can increase the volume using Windows 11. So for that you just need to click on this search icon and then search for control panel, and when the control panel result appears here you just need to click on the control panel app, and when the control panel app opens you need to select this option here, view by large icons, and you will be able to see this kind of list. Here you need to select sound option, so just click on sound option. Now this where it says speakers is your speaker, right? So just select the speaker and then click on the properties option, which is going to open the next window. Now here you need to select the enhancements tab, right? If it doesn't appear on your Windows 11 operating system, you might need to update your speakers driver. Once you are on enhancements tab, make sure that this option is unchecked. So if this is checked, you cannot change all these options under this. So make sure that this disable all enhancement is unchecked at this point, and then you need to check this option which says loudness equalization, right? When you check this option, it's going to increase the volume of your laptop's speaker. So to test this volume, just uncheck this option once again and click on preview option, and it's going to just give you the sound, right? And when you check this option, then when you click on preview, it's going to give you the enhanced sound of your laptop's speaker, right? So what I have observed, that when you check this option, it's going to increase your laptop's speaker volume by 25%, right? So just check this option, click on apply, and then click on OK, and then click on OK here, and then you can enjoy your movies or your songs on enhanced volume. So this is how you can increase the volume of your laptop's speaker on your Windows 11 operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.